Now, Mr. Chen earns 1,500 a month. So this is the total amount. Am I making sense here? So we will have 1,500 over here first. Is this something that you can understand? Okay, now what did he do? He spends 1/5 of the rent. No, of the income of what he has earned on rent. Am I making sense? So again, the magic word here is the word of, right? So 1/5 of, do you all know it means how much in this question?
1,500.
Very good. Don't be afraid to say, just say, okay, 1,500. Am I making sense here? All right. So now then I ask you a question. This means over 1, correct or not? So what we want to do is we want to cancel. Agree? 1,500 definitely can be divided by 5. Agree? 5, 10, 15. So I'm left with 3 over here. The 0 just continue adding. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Am I making sense? If you don't understand, I will show you 1,500 divided by 5. Can you see? 5 times 3 is 15. You all agree so far? Agree or not? You bring down the 0, right? So you just put 300. Can you see why is this 300? Okay, so how much is spent on rent? $300 is spent on rent. Now, 3% of it. Again, what is the magic word over here? The word of. Am I making sense here? Of it. This it is how much? 1,500. Understand?
Yes.
This is on food. Make sense? So same thing, 3 over 10 times 1,500. Agree or disagree? This again is over 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Simplify first, then I multiply. Understand? 10 and 1,500 can cancel, right? Both of these can be divided by 10. Agree? 1,500 divided by 10 becomes?
$150.
150. Agree so far? Right? Because 1,500 divided by 10, I cancel the zeros, right? So 150 times 3, how much is that? 450. You all agree so far? Over 1 times 1 is 1, right? So therefore, it is still 450. Okay? So that is the amount on sentence number 3. Sentence number 4, I apologize. 4/5. What is the magic word over here? Of it. It is how much? How much is it? Still 1,500. Agree or not? You always times to the whole. Am I making sense? This is for the transport. Am I making sense here? Do you understand or don't understand? Very good. So what should I do? Can you tell me? The two of you, can you all tell me, please? 1, 2, 3, let's go. How do I find transport? 4 over 15.
1,500 over 1.
Agree?
Yeah.
Now, can we cancel? Can we cancel 15 and 1,500? Can, right? Both can be divided by 15, correct?
Yeah.
So let's talk about the easier one first, okay? 15 divided by 15, that gives me 1. Agree or not?
Yeah.
1,500 divided by 15, what do I get? Oh yeah, 15 divided by 15 is 1, right?
Yeah.
Add the 20 at the back. Agree or not? So transport will be 4 times 100, that gives me 400. Agree so far? Do I need to put over 1? No need, right? Because 1 times 1 means 1. Agree? So this is what this person, Mr. Chen, spent on. Listen, rent, $300. Food, 450. Transport, 400. Is he left with something? Yes, for sure, right? Sentence number 5. What did he do with what he is left with? He saves the rest. So this part is saves. Am I making sense here? How do you find what is saved? How do you find what is saved?
1,500 minus 300 minus 700.
Very good. You use the whole again. Which is the whole? This is the whole. Correct now. These are all the parts. Am I making sense? 1,500 minus away 300 minus away 450 minus away 400. Do you agree or disagree?
Okay.
Agree or disagree?
Okay.
Okay, so now then you minus away, then you will get to an answer of, okay, 1,500 minus 300 minus 450, minus 400. You'll get to an answer of $350, and this is the amount that he saved in a month. Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.